Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error, update failed error on plugin in WordPress. So when we click on update plugin, then we see this error. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So there are multiple ways to fix this issue. So this error caused due to plugin conflict, due to file permission, or you can increase your memory limit using wp-config.php file. But now you see message, plugin cannot run without zip PHP module install. Please contact your host and ask them to install zip. So we are going to install or enable this PHP module zip. So after that our issue will be fixed. So you can apply any method. Now go to cpanel. So we are in PHP selector and we are in extension in cpanel. And then you see zip PHP module, enable this option. Now you see message success module zip save. Now back to WordPress plugin section again. Now refresh the page. So now we are going to update plugin. So click on update now. Now updating. Now you see updated. So our issue is fixed. So you can apply any method. You can increase PHP memory limit using wp-config.php file, or you can deactivate plugin and then check. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.